This is N2LEN with a quick video clip. We are updating our Flex-6700 to version 3.819. Just downloaded it. It said update. We clicked update, and as you can see, it is updating the 6700. Let me show you the screen for the 6700 as it goes on. It's updating the software. This process, it's been already running for, I'm going to say almost a minute. Okay. We're going from 3.7.4 to 3.8.19. And today's date is October 12th. 2024, and it's about 12:30 in the afternoon Eastern time. There you go, it's shutting down. It says updating here. I'll let you show the radio. Still at the yellow bar on the screen. Quickly show you. There you go. Yellow bar is moving slightly. Couple of relays clicking. Yellow bar is moving slowly. Probably around 2.5 minutes. Okay. Yellow bar is at halfway. Now this should, let's see if the green light goes solid. It just did. And now we're at a connect screen. Right there. And available. Okay. There we go. Let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and log into Smartlink, and then we'll hit connect and we'll test it. So that's basically it. N2LEN with the update to version 3.8.19 on the Flex-6700. Thanks so much. Catch you later.